Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 6th standard second term contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. You will be definitely benefited. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Students, today we are going to discuss term 2 exercise 1.1 sums. Fill in the blanks. The number of prime numbers between 11 and 60. First, what is the prime number? The number having only two factors. That is the prime number. Two factors. So, here 11 and 60 we have to write the prime number. So, first what is the factor of 11? 1 and 11 only. That is the two factor. Clear? So more than two factors, it is composite number. So here 11 after 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 47, 53, 59. So count it. The number of means we have to count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. Next, the numbers 29 and dash are twin primes. What is twin prime? So we have to take the pair of prime numbers that difference is 2 is twin prime. So here 29 and 31 are twin primes. You see the difference, 31 minus 29, that is 2. That's why the other pair is 31. 3753 is divisible by 9 and hence it is divisible by. So if it is 9 means it should divisible by 3. You check this number, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is divisible by 9 and also it's divisible by 3. The number of distinct prime factors of the smallest 4-digit number. First, smallest 4-digit number 1000. What are the factors? 1, 1000 and 2, 500 and 3, not divisible. So 4, 250, 4 250s are, that is the factor. 4 250s are 1000. 5, 200. So here asking the question, the number of distinct prime factor. So here in this, that distinct prime factor is only 2 and 5. Therefore you write 2. 1, counter 1, 2. So answer is 2. Next, the sum of distinct prime factors of 30. So prime factors of 30. So prime factors of 30 means here you see 2 15s are 30. 6 5s are 30. And 3 10s are 30. So in this sum of distinct prime factors, add the sum 2, 3 and 5. Add it the number 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10. So answer is 10. true or false. The sum of any number of odd number is always even. So you take that example, any number of odd number. So first you take it 1 plus 3. So that is 4. So next we take it 1 plus 3 plus 5. Odd number. 4 plus 5, 9 only. But here asking that always even. So that is false. Next, every natural number is either prime or composite. That the condition is false only because natural number starts with 1, 1, 2, 8, etc. But 1 is neither prime nor composite because prime means 2 factors, but 1 have only 1 factor only. 1 into 1 means we take it 1 factor only. 1 factors. Composite means more than 4 factors. Here not at all having 2 factor. So 1 factor only having 1. That's why this is false. If a number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 3. It's correct only. So true. 16,254 is divisible by each 2, 3, 6 and 9. So 2 means last digit is even, condition is true. 3 means sum of that number. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. If that number 2 and 3 divisible means that number should divisible by 6. That also true. So last two digit you see 50. So here also you add that number, you get it 18. 18 is divisible by 9 also. So that condition is here also true. So true. The number of distinct prime factors of 105 is 3. So what are the prime factors of 105? Do you know that? First start with a 3. 3 into 35. So 3 35s are 105. Next 5 21s are 105. And 7 15s are 105. So number of distinct factor means we have to count the prime number 1, 2, 3. So answer is also here 3. So that's why this is true. Write the smallest and the biggest 2-digit prime number. Prime number smallest is 11 and the biggest prime number 97. Fourth one, write the smallest and biggest 3-digit composite number. Composite number means more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Smallest number is 100. What are the factors? 1 into 100, 2 into 500, 4 into 250. So here 6 factors are there. That's why this is composite number. 999, 1 into 999, 3 into 333. So this also composite number. Next question, the sum of any 3 odd natural number is odd. Justify this statement with an example. So here we take it 3 plus 7 plus 9. If we add it 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. 19 also odd. So we justify this statement. The sum of any 3 odd number is always an odd number. Sixth question. The digits of the prime number 13 can be reversed if we reverse. So ones to tens, tens to ones. If we reverse means we get the 31, 31 also prime number. So any such pairs exist up to 100 means we take it 17, 37 and 79. If we reverse it, we get it 71, 31 also 73, 79 also 97. They are prime numbers. Your friend says that every odd number is prime. Give an example to prove him or her wrong. So here we take it to 15. 15 is an odd number, but it is not prime because it has more than 2 factors. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So 4 factors are having 15. So it is not prime, composite number only. So that statement is wrong. Each of the composite numbers has at least 3 factors. So if we take it, justify with a statement with an example. If this statement is true, so if we take it a composite number 4, that factors are 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4. But so the factors are 1 comma 2, 2 times means we write it only one time, enough. So 1 comma 2 comma 4. So the composite number has 3 factors. So the statement is true. Ninth one, find the dates of any month of a calendar which are divisible by both 2 and 3. So if we take it 6 multiples, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These dates are in the calendar. So these numbers are divisible by both 2 and 3. Because 2 means that one's place is even. Here all one's place are even. And 3 means if we add 6 is divisible by 3, 2 plus 1 3 is also divisible by 3, 8 plus 1 9 also divisible by 3, 4 plus 2 also divisible, and 0 plus 3 also 3. All numbers are divisible by 3 also. Next, I am a 2-digit prime number and the sum of my digit is 10. Sum of my digit is 10. I am also one of the factors of 57. First we find out 57 factors. 1 into 57 and 3 into 90. So I am a 2-digit prime number and the sum of my digit is 10 means here that prime factor is 19. If we add it 1 plus 9 we get it 10. So that the prime number is 90. Next question. Find the prime factorization of each number by factor tree and division. First we find out division method. So this is L-bend 60. So last one's place is 0 means we can divide by 2. How will you divide? 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So otherwise you can 2 3s are 6 also you can do it. And 2 here 0 0. So 2 here you see, you if you don't know that you do the division. 3 2s are 6 and 0 and put it to 0. So here you write it to 30. Next, 2 in 3 how many times? 2 in 3 only one time. Remaining 1 is there. You put it to 0 nearby, smaller. So 10. 2 5s are 10. So here we get it to 15. 15 means you can divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. After 5, yeah, always you remember it. If it is prime number, you divide with the prime number only. So you put it here 5. 5 ones are 5. So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is the factor of 16. So how will you, this is division method. So how will you represent in factor tree? First you write the 60 after. So factor tree, 60 you write it in rectangle because we have to divide further. Further means we put it a rectangle. If it is not further divisible means we put it a circle. So here 60 means 2 30s are 60. So 2 further we can't divisible. So we put it circle. Further we can divide it to 30. So put it rectangle. So 30 again you multiply with 2 15s are 30. Here put it a circle. And 15 also you can further factorize. 3 5s are 15. So what are the factors? 2 2 into 3 into 5 is the factor of 60. Next 128. So division method first. Division method. So here you see 128. First you see that 1 is compared to that 1 is smaller. So you take it 2 digits. So 2, 2, I need 12. So which number you multiply, you get it 12. 2 6 are 12. So put it 6. And next 8. 2 in 8 4 times. So 2 4s are 8. So write it 64. Again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 32. 2. So 2 in 3 only one time. Remaining. So 3 minus 2 1. So remaining 1 is there. So you put it smaller. So now it is 12. 12 into 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. Again 16. 2. So 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. First write it. After. So with the help of division method, we can draw the factor tree. Here you see first 128 rectangle. Next here 2 into 64 is there. So 2 put it here. Circle. So 2 into 64, 128. Again 2 into 32. Here is there. 2 into 32. Next 2 into 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are. Both methods that factors only the same number. So 128 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times 2. 144. 144 same method already we used in previous sum. Compared to 1 is smaller, we take it to 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Next 72 means 7. 2 3s are 6. Remaining that 1. So you put it here 12. 2 6 are 12. 36. 2 in 3 one time. Remaining this 3. 1 is there. So 16 write it. 2 8s are 16. 18 means 2 9s are 18. 9 3 3s are 9. 3. So that is the prime number. So divide with also prime number. So 3 1s are 3. Again with the help of this you can draw that already I told. So 144 means 2 into 72. Here is there. 2 into 72. Next 2 into 36. Next 2 into 18. Next 2 into 9. Next 3 into 3. Clear? So factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 98. 198. Last one digit is even. So divide with 2. So here one small. So take it to 2 digits. 19. 2 9s are 18. Remaining that 1 18. 2 9s are again 18. So 99 odd number. So 9 plus 9 18 also. So divide with the 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 33 means 3 divide. So 3 11s are 33. 11 is the prime. So divide with also prime. So 11 ones are 11. So how will you write that factor tree? First you put it the rectangle 198. After 2 into 99. Next 3 into 33 and 3 into 11. So the factors of 198 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Next 420. 420 last one digit is 0, so take it to divisible. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0. Again 2 1 is 2. Here you have to keep it in mind this line. 210 means if we divide with 2, 1 is 2. But next number 1, that is smaller, so you put it to 0. After you take it this 2 digit, 2 5s are 10. So we get it here 105. So 105 means 1 plus 5 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Remaining that 1 15. 3 5s are 15. 35 means 5 divisible. So 5 7s are 35. 7 is prime. Here also divide with the prime. 7 1 is 7. So how to draw the factor tree? First write the 420 in rectangle. Next 2 into 210. 2 into 105. 3 into 35 and 5 into 7. So factors are 420 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 999. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again divide with the 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. So again you add this number 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So you can take it 3. So 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 2. 21. 21. So 3 7s are 21. So 37. 37 is prime number. Divide with the prime number. 37 1 is 37. So draw the factor tree here. 999 means 3 into 333. 3 into 111 and 3 into 37. So factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 37. 12th one, if there are 143 max books to be arranged in equal number of stacks, then find the number of books in each stack and also the number of stacks. So total number of books 143. So first you factorize this 143. So what is the rule? 143 means if we 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8, that also not divisible by 3. So how will you find it will divisible by 11? So that rule is there. We can add that alternative digit. So 1 plus 3 4. And here that 4 is there. 4 minus 4 is 0. If it comes like this, so 0 come or 11 come means that number should be divisible by 11. So we take it 143 divided by 11. So 1 11s are 11. 14 minus 11 remaining 3, 33. 33 in 11 3 times. So you put it 13. So 13 is prime number. Here also you prime number write it. 13 1 is 13. So factors of 143 11 into 30. So we can arrange the number of stacks and the number of books in the stack maybe. So we can arrange it 11 comma 13 or 13 comma 11. Both ways we can arrange. Difference between two successive odd number. Two successive odd number means we take it 3 and 5. So what is 5 minus 3? That is 2. So answer is 2. The only even prime number 2 only. Which of the following numbers is not prime? Is not prime. So 53 is the prime because 1 into 53 only the factor. 92 is last number 2 means it has more factors only. That is 192 and 2 into 46. So more than 2 factors. So 92 is not the prime. The sum of factors of 27. So 127 is 27, 3 9s are 27. Add the number 1 plus 27, 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 31 plus 9, 40. So that answer is 40. Factors of a number are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. What is the number? So easily we can say that that factor is 80. So the number is 80 because factors of 80 are 180s are 80, 240s are 80, 420s are 80, 516s are 80, 810s are 80. So that number is 80. Next, the prime factorization of 60 is already we know that 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Any other number which has the same prime factorization as 60, that is impossible only. So no number having the same factor. So that is impossible. If the number 6357, here star means here one number will come. 97 is divisible by 9, then the value of star. So we have to choose from these option. Okay, first we take it to 2. 2 means how it will divisible by 9. First add the number. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. Here we take it the 2 number. So 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Plus 7, 36. 36 number is divisible by 9. So that value is 2 only. Last question. The number 87,846 is divisible by. So first option 2 only. So that number is divisible by 2. And next option 3. 3 means sum of numbers 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 8, 33. 33 is divisible by 3. But not only. So that is wrong. Here also 3 only. That also wrong because that number is divisible by 2 and 3. And 33 means it also divisible by 11 also. So that option is all of this. Thank you students. Learn and revise it thoroughly. We will see next class, next exercise.